मोबाईल टॉवराची बॅटरी चोरली म्हण आरोपावयल्यान मायना कुडतरे पुलिसांनी 3 जाणांक अटक केल्या. पुलिसांनी तांकां 4 दिसांच्या रिमांडार घेतल्यात. हे 3 जाण मूळ उत्तराखंडाचे. विनोद कुमार नोतियालान केल्ले कागाळीवयल्यान पुलिसांनी ही कारवाय केल्या.
We had arrested 2 suspects. While interrogating these suspects, they have admitted that they have committed the said theft, and we have recovered the said battery. We have arrested them in this offence, today's offence, and we have recovered 1 battery. And then there are many more offences registered in other police stations regarding the battery theft cases. So we are interrogating these people in this connection, and they will be remanded for 4 days. And their associate, namely Shiv Mohan Singh, has been arrested today. Earlier yesterday we had arrested Gopal Bhaskar and Kailash Singh, and today we have arrested Shiv Mohan Singh, all resident of Uttarakhand.
आता पळोवया गोंयांतल्या हेर वाठारांतल्यो कांय घडामोडी.
16 म्हयन्यांत प्रोजेक्ट सोंपूंक जाय. 1641 स्क्वेअर मिटर जमीन आनी सादारण 20 कोटी खर्च. ह्या बिल्डिंगेची एक स्पेशलिटी म्हणजे दिस इज अ ग्रीन बिल्डिंग. म्हणजे मिनिमम एनर्जी खर्च जावप, सेविंग कार्बन क्रेडिट घेता जावप, कार्बन क्रेडिट अशें म्हणून शकता ह्या बिल्डिंगेचे. बिकॉज दिस इज वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट गव्हर्मेंट बिल्डिंग्स टू बी ग्रीन. हे सगळे प्रोजेक्ट
31 ऑगस्ट 211 पासून 3005 मोटर एक्सिडंट जाल्ले. तातूंचे 191 फेटल आशिल्ले आनी तातूंत 202 मनीस मेल्ले. त्याच प्रमाणे अंदूच्या ऑगस्ट 31 पासून टोटल 2809 एक्सिडंट जाले. तातूंत 173 फेटल एक्सिडंट जाले आनी 187 मनीस मेल्ले आहा.
आमी जे फुडें शिकतले आतां हे शिक्षण डिग्री घेवन ओटीक लावप अशा प्रकारे शिक्षणाचो उरंग ना. कारण आतां शिक्षण म्हणून पोट भरप अशा प्रकारचे शिक्षणाची गरज आसा. शिक्षण घेतलो आनी आवय बापायच्या जिवार जगतलो म्हणजे आज ते शक्य ना. त्यामुळे आपण शिक्षण करून कितें तरी कमयतलो, आपण जगतलो आनी आपल्या घरातल्या सगळ्या लोकांक जगयतलो अशा प्रकारचे शिक्षण आमकां करून घेवपाक जाय.
16 वर्स धोक्याचं, 16 वर्स मोक्याचं. मोका म्हणजे ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आणि धोका म्हणजे डेंजर. 16व्या वर्साक तुम्ही बरें करू शकता, स्काय इज द लिमिट, आणि वर्स्टय करू शकता. मागीर तेका व्हरतात.
गोंयच्या एथलीटां मदीं आंतरराष्ट्रीय पावड्याची तांक तयार करपाच्या दिकेन प्रशिक्षणा खातीर रशियांतली लेस गाफ्ट युनिव्हर्सिटी कबलात करपाक तयार आसा. हे कबलातीचो मसुदोय तयार आसा. मात विदेश वेव्हार मंत्रालयाचे सगळे निमून आसा. रशियन युनिव्हर्सिटीच्या ह्या शिष्टमंडळाचे गोंय भोंवडेचो रिपोर्ट तांणी मिडिया सामकार दवरलो. खंयच्या वाठारांनी ते गोंयच्या एथलीटांचेर काम करपाक शकतात तेंय तांणी स्पश्ट केलां. गोंय विद्यापीठय कबलातीत वांटेकार आसचे अशी इत्सा तांणी उक्तायल्या.
The main subject that we discussed were the development of the sports infrastructure to encourage interest in mainstream sport, to encourage interest in professional sport, including the training of elite athletes. So we came with the intention of signing a letter of agreement of cooperation between the state of Goa and our state university. At the moment, this contract of agreement is ready to be signed. This agreement would allow us for the development of a whole range of lasting programs to develop the sport industry within the state of Goa. This would include the development of programs for the training of coaches and athletic instructors, athletes,
сотрудников и специалистов спортивной индустрии,
and the specialists that would care for the sport infrastructure. We have been told that the nearing to the signing of this agreement is very, very soon. These are the next steps as far as we can see. After the signing of this contract of cooperation, will be formed a task force which will include specialists from the state of Goa. These will also include members of the Football Development Council, specialists of Les Gaft's sport university.
Считаем, что
In my opinion, the first goal of this task force would be the development of short-term, medium-term, and long-term projects.
в которых будут сформулированы
In which these programs would dictate the way in which we would reach these goals by the combined forces of our university and the professionals located here in the state of Goa. I think this would be the best answer.
и как раз
And one of the topics that we specifically discussed was the development of teaching programs to encourage professional coaches and athletes. This would be seeing as the university already has many qualified professionals that take part in other areas of the academic. The innovative technologies, the scientific discoveries, and athleticism, these are actually all associated one with each other.
поэтому мы считаем, что
So we would definitely encourage that the University of Goa would have an active part in any cooperation between the state of Goa and our state university.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसात जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबुक अकाउंटाचेरय मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान हे खबरांची रांगात सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.